Hi friends, welcome to Leelalicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthier granola. I'm calling this healthier granola because it is gluten and grain-free. It is vegan, paleo-friendly, and suitable on AIP. Instead of rolled oats, we're using sliced dried tiger nuts in this recipe. Tiger nuts are not actually a nut, but a small tuber that is mostly grown in northern Africa and southern Spain. The dried sliced tiger nuts are a perfect stand-in for rolled oats. They have a similar size and texture, but are grain-free. But if you don't want to use or don't have any sliced tiger nuts, you can still make this paleo granola. You can use some other nuts or seeds in its place. I think sliced almonds or sunflower seeds are a perfect stand-in as well. We're going to start with the liquid base that holds together all of the granola ingredients.
To a large bowl, add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, as well as 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk all of these ingredients together until well combined. Then add 1 cup of sliced tiger nuts, or the same amount of a nut or seed substitute, as well as 1 cup of coconut flakes. Now stir everything to combine the liquid with the dry ingredients until you have an evenly combined granola mixture. Place this paleo granola mix on a parchment-lined baking sheet and spread it out in an even layer. Then bake your granola at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. To ensure that it bakes to an even golden brown finish, toss the mixture once after about 20 minutes of baking time. Then let the finished granola cool on the baking sheet until it reaches room temperature. Then it is ready to store in an airtight container for about 2 to 3 weeks.
And there we go. The finished granola is perfect to make a fruit and yogurt parfait. You can use coconut yogurt for a dairy-free version, or you can also just snack on the granola as is. The granola also makes a great streusel-like topping when you're baking muffins or snack cakes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this paleo granola recipe, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye for now.